shrimp and melon salad with basil mint pesto.
Today, it's a fresh day, and I'm in the garden after all, so I'm going to make a shrimp salad. I have some salted water boiling. Let me get some bay leaves to give it some flavor. These are shrimp. Let's put it right in. Okay. Let me just give it a mix. And I have some beautiful honeydew melon and some cantaloupe. And the melon is simple. You just take off the seeds, just like that. Scrape them right out. Okay. So how do you go about cutting a melon? Let me show you. It's simple. You can make little melon balls. But you know, with melon balls, you do have some waste. And you know how I am about wasting. I want to use everything. So I am going to make it into cubes. And you go around. Gonna cut it just like that. And in it goes. I'm looking at the size and I'm making them a little bigger because the shrimps are a nice size shrimps. And again, cut it. Just in slices like that. Okay. So you can see this in itself, the freshness of it. So I'm looking at the shrimps. This is cooked for me. I'm gonna just fish it all out and I'll put it right in the ice water. Let it cool. Just like that, okay. So now I'm gonna clean up and we get to make the pesto.
Buongiorno, here we are in my little library where I gather all my thoughts, write the books, and where I welcome you.
Joyce wants to talk wine. She says, I love how you always tell us what wine you're drinking with your meal at the end of the show. I love wine with a meal too. Are there any general tips for pairing wine with a meal? Wine, such a diversity in different varietals of grapes. There are judges that can tell you which are the best wines, but I think you are the best judge what you would like. And there's some basic criteria in wines that you can look for to choose. White wine is usually acidic, lighter. I would like it to be aromatic, and it goes very well with fish, chicken. Red has a lot of body, more tannins, and it's a bigger wine. Goes with meats, braisings. Rosé has a little bit more body. It's a wine that can go either way. So rosé, springtime and summertime is great if you want to replace the red wine. Look at the different regions and begin tasting and see what you like. Well, we're ready to make the pesto. Basil, nice leaves of fresh basil, some mint, and you know, usually half and half. Some lemon juice in there. Let's see, there's a pit here, there's a pit here. Okay. Sometimes it's best to use a strainer right underneath or squeeze it in a little bowl and then use the juice. Let's put this back on. Let's put some salt in here. Let's give it a whirl. I think that's enough. Some celery, and you know, I like to use the leaves of the celery and everything. And so I'm looking at the chunks. You know, the celery could be a little on the chunky side. And I want to put some lettuce in there. Let me open it up. These leaves are more appropriate and they'll look nicer. The outside leaves are a little greener, and you can certainly use it for another salad. Do I have enough here? Let me just toss it a little bit. I think I have enough. Let's add the shrimps in there. I think this needs a little bit of salting as a whole. Now, let's take the dressing. And you know what I tell you all the time about the dressing? Save some, because you don't want to overdress your salad. You can always add, but taking it out is problematic once you have put it all in. Does this look good? Fresh, nice. So let's plate it on this beautiful plate. And I have some basil right here that I'm gonna decorate it with. I'm looking at this salads. Okay, maybe I can make a frame. And let's see. And now let's just kind of let it flow right into the plate, just like that. Okay, this looks good. Oh, I forgot Lidia. Got a taste. I think just like that. And then I saved some basil. A little basil will be just the decoration on top of it all. So here we are, inviting. It's beautiful, it's fresh, so let's bring it to the table. And easy. It's actually an easy setting. So here I go for that tasting. Wow, I didn't know it was this good. I can just sit here and enjoy. So I'm gonna finish this. I might go for a little more. Make sure you make it.